Hey guys, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's so good to see you. And I'm really excited today because I'm going to be starting a new sewing project with you guys. I picked up this gorgeous pink ribbed, what are you? Polyester. It's nice and stretchy, it's super soft, and I'm going to be making a long sleeve shirt. So my plan is to copy the pattern from a long sleeve shirt that I already love. It has a really great fit to it. I love this shirt, but now I'm gonna have it in this ribbed pink. I keep wanting to call it cotton, but it's polyester. So I have my craft paper here, and I'm gonna lay my old shirt out and kind of trace it out, and we'll go from there, guys. So I got my pattern pieces cut out, and now I just need to cut it from my fabric. So let's go, do it. To take a break, so it's the next day and I'm going to start assembling my pieces now, and I think I'm going to start by pinning and then sewing up the side seams, and then I'll probably sew up the sleeve seams, probably add on the cuffs to the sleeves, and then finally add the sleeves and then finish the hems around the collar and the bottom. So there's my plan. Let's put it into action. I'm super excited because I just recently picked up this 32-piece presser foot set from Madam Sew. I'm super geeked out about it because in it has, oh my god, let me get it open. It has a flat hem presser foot. So what this does is it rolls your hem as you sew it, so you get like a really nice finished hem. So I'm gonna try it, and I'm really hopeful. And now that I'm looking at it, it's actually smaller than I was expecting, so I think I may have given the shirt a little too much seam allowance, but we'll see. Alright, well, the presser foot was not working very well with this fabric. I think it's just too stretchy and just kind of hard to manipulate. So I had to do the ruled hem myself, which was fine because that way I could actually use up some of my seam allowance, because I gave myself so much. But I think it does look a lot nicer this way. I'm gonna press this down because it is a little chunky right now. But I mean, just like, look at it. I think it looks so nice. It doesn't have like the rough edge, and like the seam just looks lovely. It looks lovely. Almost done. I'm adding the sleeves in right now, and I'm looking, and because I already have so many rolled hems, I think I might just do just a single hem on the sleeves so it doesn't get too bulky around these parts, the already hemmed parts. And I guess we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. Got the first sleeve sewed in. Woo! I don't know if you can see, this part got a little wonky. I might need to tear that out and fix it. The sleeves are in, it's looking great, and the last thing I have to do is finish up the hem on the collar and add in my label. So here is where we're at. Look at how crappy the collar turned out. And I tried pressing it, and it helped a little bit like in the front here. Like, this doesn't look too bad. But then you get up to these shoulder seams that are like super bulky, and you get this little thing, this thing right here. And I don't know at this point how to fix it. So I'm gonna start by just pulling this out and seeing what I can figure out. That helped tremendously, just making the hem smaller. I think I was making it too wide and it wasn't working out well. Alright, here she is! Oh my god, it actually turned out a heck of a lot better than I was expecting it to. I absolutely love the material. I'm glad I decided to make a long sleeve blouse. This is gonna be so cozy. It's so soft. I'm excited. I'm super excited. So I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Of course, if you did, you know how it goes. Leave me a thumbs up. That's how I know you're enjoying the stuff I'm making. And even better, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, because that would be super dope. And that being said, guys, I will see you the next time around.